Password reset not sending email on Mint Fix. You've clicked forgot password on Mint, but the reset email never shows up. No matter how many times you try, your inbox stays empty. Don't worry, this is a common issue with Mint, and it's usually easy to fix in just a few steps. First, check your spam, junk, and promotions folders. Mint's password reset emails often come from no reply Intuit.com since Mint is owned by Intuit. Search for Intuit or Mint in your email to make sure the message is hiding somewhere unexpected. If you don't find it, make sure you're entering the exact email link to your Mint account. Most people get this wrong, they try using another address, but Mint only sends the reset email to the one that's registered. Next, add Intuit, come to your email safe sender or whitelist. This helps future messages from Mint reach your inbox immediately. If you've waited more than 15 minutes and still don't see the email, clear your browser cookies and try again from Mint's official website instead of the app. Sometimes cached login data or expired sessions block the password reset from processing correctly. Still nothing? Contact Mint's customer support by visiting the Intuit Help Center. They can verify your identity and manually trigger a reset link for your account. Here's the surprising truth: in most cases, the issue isn't Mint's servers. It's your email provider filtering or blocking the automated message before it even reaches your inbox. Once you get back in, take a moment to confirm your recovery email and turn on multi-factor authentication. That way, even if you forget your password again, resetting it will be quick and secure. Follow these steps carefully, and you have your Mint account unlocked and your budgeting tools back on track in no time.